Hi guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman, and today I'm helping teen drivers learn how to pump gas. Make sure you're watching all the way until the end of this video because I'm giving away 3 $50 Petro-Canada gas cards across Canada. Amazing. Okay, so to be honest, I never actually thought I'd have to produce a video about how to pump gas. But recently on my travels, I came across a teenager having an epic, and I mean epic, meltdown, because you can literally hear her say, "How do I know what side it's on?" Clearly referencing what side is your gas tank on. And with that said, here's my #1 tip for knowing which side your gas tank is on. And you can use this tip for your own personal car, a friend's car, or even for rental cars. Look at the center of your dashboard and locate the gas tank symbol. You'll notice an arrow indicating what side your gas tank is on. You'll probably want to figure this out before you leave your driveway. This will help you navigate around the station easier and more efficiently once you're at your local Petro-Canada. Now you're parked in front of your gas pump. Your car is off and your cell phone is tucked away. Trust me, you'll survive the next 5 minutes without it. But how do you open up your gas tank door? Well, here are a few options you can use on your own personal car or when using a friend's car. My first car had the gas pump door release button located inside the glove box, but yours might be located on the lower dashboard in this area, or on the inside of the driver's door in this area, or on the lower floor frame in this area. Or similar to my car, you simply have to push to open the gas tank door. A few last steps before pumping. Unscrew your gas cap and select which grade of gas you'd like to purchase. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, what grade of gas do I choose? For instance, I drive a premium brand car, so I automatically know to choose a higher grade of gas. For me, at this Petro-Canada, I select 91 octane. However, you can refer to your owner's manual, the inside of your gas tank door, or right on the gas cap. Usually these areas indicate what type of gas to use or what not to use. So what happens if you put the wrong fuel in your car, like diesel into a regular tank? Well, that's a totally different video and I'll produce that at a different time. Finally, it's time to pump some gas. And for the purpose of this video, I've pre-purchased a Petro-Canada gas card and I'm only using $5 just to speed up the process. But you could also purchase using a credit card at the pump. Just follow the instructions. Trust me, it's easy. Or go inside to pay. Just make sure you know what gas pump you're using so you don't by accident pay for someone else's gas. Now remove the nozzle, select the grade, squeeze the handle, and continue to pump until the handle automatically stops for you. When the gas automatically stops pumping, make sure you wait a moment before removing the nozzle from the gas tank. This will minimize spillage on the ground and from potentially getting onto your clothes. Replace the nozzle back into the pump and tighten your gas cap. Listen for at least 1 click to ensure the cap is tight. And just like that, you're done with no epic meltdown. Now make sure you watch this next clip because I'm giving away 3 $50 Petro-Canada gas cards across Canada. I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when to watch the next video. Hi again guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman, and I'm giving away 3 $50 Petro-Canada gas cards across Canada. If you're a teen driver or a parent of a teen driver and you live in New Brunswick, Ontario, or British Columbia, create a short video explaining why you deserve free gas. Tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, whatever your preferred platform is, and I'll be announcing the winner on September 6th. Make sure you use the hashtags AutomotiveWoman, Free Gas, and Petro-Canada. Continue to follow me and subscribe on YouTube and hit that notification bell so you know when to watch the next video.